What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Ethereum. It's been a while since I did an analysis on Ethereum. Well, in my opinion, it's the safest bet for the upcoming 5 years. I'm not going to fully get into the reasoning behind that. I just think that a lot of things right now are happening on the Ethereum layer 1 blockchain. A lot of layer 2 solutions are actually being created, especially for the Ethereum network, and Ethereum is widely used in NFTs as well. So yeah, that's why I think it's the safest bet. It's just a little bit more than Bitcoin with the smart contracts, and yeah, a lot of things are being made for it. So, but that was a little bit too much into that. Let's get into this technical analysis. So, as we all know, we're quite bearish the last week, a little bit more than a week. Yeah, 1.5 weeks actually, because it was the 4th of December that it happened right here. We managed to find a price of almost 3,500, which is a big support level, as you can see right here. So if the price drops down from where it is right now, I can definitely expect it to find some resistance at 3,500, but that would be if it drops through this 3,670 level. And if it breaks through that 3,500, I think we will find support at around 3,400 up until 3,330. That was nice to say. But let's not think about it too much. I actually think this 37 level will hold. You know, every time I say this, these support levels will break, but I think it will hold. I mean, 3,700 is quite lowly valued for Ethereum, and we are quite bearish, but I think December will be. I mean, I don't think we have reached the bear market yet. So let's get right into it. So from where we are right now, I think we will either get up to around 3,920 again, or maybe a little bit lower at around 3,900 round. From there, we might actually drop down to most probably 3,700 round. From there, go up. I do think we will find another touch at this trend line at around 38 under 20. And of course, when I name these price levels, I don't think the price is going to move exactly like this. I mean, price often finds small resistance and support at other levels too. I just think in big lines this is going to happen. And then from that second touch, I actually think we have the potential to get all the way up to 3,925 again. And from that 3,925, it really depends on the price action and the whole state of the market, what we're going to do after. I think there's a possibility that we break retest off of 3,825. And maybe there's a shot at getting over 4,000 again. But to be realistic, what could also happen, I mean, if it takes a long time to get all the way up to 3,925 and it's still quite bullish in the whole market, we might also just get a consolidation between those levels. So 3,680 and 3,920. So that's possible. I think that's the most likely scenario. I think there's also a scenario where this was actually the last move and that we're actually going up from where we are right now. And then, I mean, if we break that 3,925, we'll get a bullish breakout most probably. And I think that would need to lead up until at least somewhere around 4,050. Because if it reaches that 4,050, that tells me that there's enough buyer pressure to actually get high. And then when that has happened, we have a lot of potential for a break retest off of a then turn support level. So we have the potential to break retest off of the 4,000 psychological key level. But we can also drop down all the way up until 3,925, and that would still be bullish. So after that break retest, I think we're going up to 4150. But from there, I'd really need to reassess this price prediction and price analysis. But because that will probably, if this happens, the whole state of the market is kind of very different from a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, I need to reassess this price prediction. So that is what I'm going to do if it reaches that level and if this happens. So yeah, that's basically my price analysis on Ethereum, or on Ether is actually the token name or the coin name. Yeah, I just wanted to give you my opinion on what's most likely. That's this scenario, but I also wanted to give you some conditions on what could also happen. So This is not financial advice as always, it's just my opinion based on technical analysis. But if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.